In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet to Microsoft Power Automate. We'll go through the setup process from start to finish so you can build a simple automated flow that reacts to changes in Smartsheet and then performs an action in Power Automate. If you're new to either platform, don't worry. This is a straightforward process, and once you've done it once, it becomes much easier to build additional automations later. To begin, open Microsoft Power Automate. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Create option. This is where you start building a new flow from scratch. Clicking Create gives you access to different types of flows, and from there you can begin defining what event should trigger your automation and what should happen next. After that, search for Smartsheet as a connector. This step is important because connectors are what allow Power Automate to communicate with other apps and services. By finding Smartsheet in the connector list, you're telling Power Automate which platform you want to work with for this automation. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to find it more quickly. Next, sign in to your Smartsheet account. This authorizes the connection between Smartsheet and Power Automate, so the flow can access the sheets and data you want to use. Follow the sign-in prompts on screen and complete the connection. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the sheet you want to automate. Once you're connected, choose a trigger, such as a row being added or changed. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. For example, if you want something to happen every time new information is entered into a sheet, selecting a row added trigger would make sense. If you want the flow to react when existing data is updated, then a row change trigger may be the better choice. Picking the right trigger is key because it determines when your automation runs. After selecting the trigger, add the action you want Power Automate to perform. This is the result of the automation. Depending on your workflow, that action might involve sending a notification, updating another system, creating a task, or doing something else inside the Microsoft ecosystem or another connected app. At this stage, take a moment to confirm that the action matches the trigger you selected so the overall flow behaves the way you expect. Finally, save and test the flow. Saving stores your automation, and testing helps you confirm that the trigger and action work together correctly. Run a quick test using sample data in Smartsheet and check whether Power Automate responds as expected. If everything works, your integration is ready to use.